great to see you, Capri Cosmetology. My name is Tara, and on behalf of Outback Team Building and Training, I'd like to welcome you to today's Charity Bike Build-a-thon. Yay! You are now clear to decorate and market. So work on your decorating and marketing plan if you have cleared the section.
First off, on behalf of the Boys and Girls Club of Newburgh, we'd like to thank Capri and everybody involved in this special donation of these bikes. They're going to be given away on our Community Day event, but this is very important because our program serves a lot of kids in our community, from grades 8K all the way up through 12th grade. And our mission is to basically prepare them for school, prepare them for college along the way, teaching them life skills, helping them with their homework, and actually giving them a place to go and be in the after school, which is needed very much in the city of Newburgh. So I want to thank all of you for all your hard work. These bikes are amazing, and the kids are going to love it when we give it out to them. So I just want to give you a nice big round.